Hey there, Liso Life fam. Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an absolutely epic adventure because we're at Animal Kingdom. But this isn't just any visit. This is a day of firsts. My sister's family has never been to Walt Disney World before, so we're about to blow their minds with all the magic this place has to offer. We have a jam-packed day ahead. We're going to ride Expedition Everest. We're going to meet some of our favorite Disney characters. We're going to dive into the mystical world of Pandora and so much more. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single moment of this magical adventure. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go make some memories. Onward to Animal Kingdom. Let's do this.
I know.
Wait, you're a bird man.
I gave Steph the best present that she's ever had in her life.
Was it a bird?
We got back from Paris, from our Europe trip,
A flamingo.
and I did up this picture frame with all these different photos in it, like family at the bottom. So it's all family. And all these photos from our holiday. And the big one of us is from the Eiffel Tower.
Right.
And one of the photos was a picture of a French pigeon at the Arc de Triomphe. And she's looking at all the photos.
We'll continue this story.
And I cried. I wasn't crying at the family.
You cried at the pigeon. Why did you cry at the pigeon?
Because it's just something that he does, and I'm like, oh, you did it good.
Do you know that they can see your face and their butt at the same time? Yay! Ah! Oh, me! Oh, I want one too! Yay! Oh, I got the biggest one, yes! We saw Russell! And then we're hopefully going to see Doug! Lamborghini!
Sword is not a word.
I said we saw! We didn't say sword!
Play it back, you said sword.
I did not! We saw Russell! We saw Russell! I hope I didn't. Did I? Oh.
I like how you got real aggressive though. Like, no I did not. But you did.
Did I?
You said sword.
She had
Before we got out.
Did you see her when hi from?
Yeah, Aria saw it and she nearly choked on her hot chocolate. Are you okay?
I had hot chocolate in my mouth. I'm sorry, I'm not to laugh.
We are here at Animal Kingdom today, guys. We
It was freezing in the morning.
arrived here for 7:30 this morning. We have a virtual queue for Flight of Passage. We've seen Russell,
Yes,
and now we are heading to
Mount Everest.
Expedition Everest.
Yeah, I got the rambles done.
And then tonight, my sister and I are going to be hopping over to Magic Kingdom because we have dinner at Be Our Guest.
Sadly, I cannot come.
No.
You're meanie.
Do we want to wait 60 minutes?
Yes. No. Yes.
Oh, let's go.
Where's Aria?
Oh, that's really hot. Oh!
There it is. Whoa, look at that. Welcome to Pandora.
Yeah.
Why is there no otters? No, there's some back over there. Well, that's disappointing because there's no otters. Let's go. What?
Looking for animals at the zoo.
Yes, it's always disappointing.
You have to let them come to you. Come this way.
Sorry, there were no otters.
Well, they were, but they were in the back. They were in the far back.
Yes.
And then?
So now we're going through a wander. And then we're going to do Navi River Cruise.
What is Navi River Cruise?
Wait, the one with the really cool like animatronic that like cost $10 billion.
Oh, that one.
Hey, look, let's go this out.
Doesn't fill up, but
Yeah.
Oh, look.
6 hours.
Look at the little monkey.
But when you book something, right?
Stand this side, just here.
2 hours before you can. So right
You
now,
just want to
we have,
squeeze him.
11:20 we have a ride, and then at 12:15 we have a ride, and then 12:55 we have a ride.
Yay! Good planning, honey.
And they're all just rides? Yeah. No, your nose is all red.
I think if I was to have a monkey as a pet, I would have one of these monkeys.
I saw a monkey at the Perth Zoo,
Yeah.
and he had a moustache,
Really?
like a big one that came all the way down.
Look at him. Like, I just think they're really cute.
I think I already have 2 monkeys that are pets.
That's me. I'm a monkey.
No, it's Nate and Mum.
Woohoo! Oh my god, I love this.
Can everyone see me?
Yes.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining. You've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room.
Thank you. Are you ready?
Hold on to the hand grips as shown. It's
To fly?
important to hold on after you're seated. Back.
arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Nile crocodile. Oh my god. They have one of the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom. But despite that, minutes a day, which is not enough sleep for me, but it is enough sleep for the giraffe. And they won't sleep laying down. They will stay standing or they'll kneel. 9 months out of the year. That's so the leaves don't take up too much of the water. Cheetah's hanging out over there on our left. It's so far away. Oh my god, they're sitting together. And you also probably know more Swahili than you think that you do.
So the boys are so big, and they have silver on their back when they get to be adults. Like these little ones.
He almost doesn't look real, but then you see him move a little bit. Look at the fish all eating stuff off his skin.
Like those fish in Bali that ate the stuff off my feet.
Yeah. Kind of, but not really.
Can we please address the size of this hot dog? So, after a long jam-packed day, it's now time to head back to the resort for a little rest. And then it's time for me to go and get ready to go out to dinner to be our guest with my sister. We're staying at Disney's Port Orleans Riverside Resort. We have stayed here before and we absolutely love it. At this resort, Southern charm meets royal elegance in a picturesque setting inspired by the grand plantations of the Old South. Nestled along the tranquil banks of the Sassagoula River, this moderate resort offers a serene escape while keeping you close to the magic of the Disney parks. For those seeking a touch of enchantment, the royal rooms are an absolute must. These themed accommodations transport you into the world of Disney's royalty, featuring regal decor inspired by beloved princesses like Tiana, Cinderella, and Belle. From the ornate headboards that come alive with fiber optic fireworks to the intricate details in the room's furnishings, every element is designed to make you feel like you're living in a fairy tale. Royal rooms comfortably sleep 4, making them perfect for families or anyone looking to add a little magic to their stay. Disney's Port Orleans Riverside Resort offers a wide range of amenities to enhance your stay. Take a leisurely stroll along the scenic pathways, rent a bike or surrey, or enjoy a boat ride down the Sassagoula River to Disney Springs for dining and shopping. The resort features Old Man Island, a 3-acre pool complex with a large winding water slide, a hot tub, and a kiddie pool, ensuring fun for guests of all ages. For dining, you can enjoy Southern-inspired cuisine at the Riverside Mill Food Court or indulge in a sit-down meal at Boatwright's Dining Hall. The resort offers plenty of recreational activities, from horse-drawn carriage rides and fishing to movies under the stars and campfires with s'mores. Located in the heart of Walt Disney World Resort, Disney's Port Orleans Riverside provides an easy access to theme parks, with complimentary bus transportation to all Disney parks and attractions. Immerse yourself in the storybook atmosphere and create memories that will last a lifetime. Now it's time to head into Magic Kingdom because my sister and I have a reservation with the Beast at Be Our Guest, and I cannot wait for her to try the grey stuff.
Are all imported from Italy, with the middle one being 10 feet tall.
Really?
The middle one's
Isn't
it pretty?
It's so deceiving. Yeah.
We're so down here.
Yeah. So, oh my gosh. If we brought it down, it's bigger than us.
That's like 2 of me, basically. I'm 5
Right?
feet, so that's like twice my size.
Oh my gosh.
And then against the back windows, the Enchanted Forest, where it's always snowing, even in sunny Florida. The room off to the left is the West Wing, which was previously forbidden, but the Beast is allowing guests in there now. And the room off to the right is Belle's special quarters in the castle. All of the elements in that room, Belle added herself, with the music box in the center being gifted to her by her father, Maurice.
Beautiful.
Once your server's been with you, you're more than welcome.
Great, thank you.
Of course. Oh, look, wait, we're going to do to Belle. Getting ready to try the great stuff. It tastes like white chocolate. But it's like, it's as though it's not even in your mouth. It tastes like white chocolate. Yeah. Amazing. Okay, so while you are enjoying your meal, you are able to walk around and view the rest of the restaurant. And here we are in the West Wing.